This is the most important picture which I get from the Cube book, which shows the whole process or of the inflammatory immune response. When there is any tissue damages occur by a sharp object. Suppose this is any sharp object. Okay, this is sharp object. This one, this one is sharp object where the exact tissue damages occur. When there is the tissue damage, there is the skin layer should be break. Such a skin layer is the break. When break such a skin layer, there is a factor is released, and such a factor are the chemostatic and the vasoactive factor are get to attach the receptors of the capillary or provide a signal that the something happen in such a area. That's why such a factor is released and immune system is get activated. What happen when there is a tissue damage? Here is the tissue damage by any sharp object. When there is a tissue damage, the factor is released in the skin, in the blood. The factor is released, and such a factor will be attached to the receptors of the capillary. Such a factor is known as the vasoactive or chemostatic factor. Here, the tissue damage caused by the release of a vasoactive and chemostatic factor that trigger a local increase in the blood flow and capillary permeability. When such a factor are attached to the receptors, there is a increase the blood flow in the size. Okay, and there is a increase the blood flow in the size. Here the blood flow is increased because the release of factor will get to the signal into the immune system. That's why here the increase the size of the capillary. When increase the size of capillary or increase the blood flow of the capillary, that's why the size is increased, that's why the diameter is increased. When diameter is increased, the cells are able to move out of the body, move out of the capillary. Here the cells are moved out of the capillary is known as the vascular permeability. Vascular permeability means cells are get out of the capillary, is known as the vascular permeability, or cells diameter or capillary diameter is increased. Capillary diameter is increased because there is the increase the blood flow in such an area. That's why the capillaries increase, the size of capillaries increase, the diameter is increase, is known as the vascular permeability. Vascular permeability means capillary are more permeable. More permeable, that's why the cells are able to get out of the capillary, is known as the vascular permeability. After vascular permeability, the cells are able to migrate the site where the exact damage is occur, is known as the chemotaxis. The cells which get out of the body are migrate to the damaged site where the exact damages occur, is known as the chemotaxis. Okay, here the various bacteria shows in red color, which is very harmful for the human body because it produces some toxins. So it is most important to clear such a bacteria. For clearance of such a bacteria, there are phagocytic cells is used. Such as cells which move out of the capillary is mostly the red blood cells or other immunologically important cells such as macrophages, neutrophils. Other cells are present which get out of the capillary. Okay, next one is the phagocytosis, and it is most important step to understand the whole engulfment of a bacteria or other pathogens. Okay, here is the phagocytosis. When such a bacteria come in the contact with the phagocytic cells, such a bacteria are get inside the microphages or phagocytic cells. When such a bacteria get in the phagocytic cells, is known as a phagosome. Here is the phagosome, means there is a phagocytic cells plus bacteria is known as the phagosome, and in the phagocytic cell there is a lytic enzyme is present, that is known as the lysosome. When such a bacteria, that is phagosome, in contact with the lysosome, is known as the phagolysosome. This is phagolysosome, and such a phagolysosome after break into the small pieces with the help of lysosome is known as and such a debris are clear out of the body in the form of the pus, in the form of the pus. Okay, what happen when there is a bacteria in the contact of phagocytosis cell? The phagocytosis cell are engulf such a bacteria and is known as a phagosome. After phagosome, there is a in the contact of the lysosome is known as the phagolysosome, and such bacteria are converted into the small pieces is known in small pieces, and such as pieces are get out of the body in the form of the pus. This is the basics about the whole inflammatory immune response and the main process of phagocytosis. The reference which I use for this whole process is the Cube Immunology. This is the best book to refer, and it is gives the whole information about the inflammatory immune response.